Namaskar. Hello everyone. This is Dr. S. Karnaka Reddy, Assistant Professor from the Department of Botany, Usmania University, Hyderabad. I am also Coordinator for Environmental Science. We are offering a course for Environmental Science discipline on Environmental Biology. This is a 4 credit course and will complete in 13 weeks period. Earth is the only planet we know that can support life. This is an amazing fact considering that it is made out of the same matter as other planets in our solar system was formed at the same time and through the same process as every other planet and gets energy from the sun. Earth is the planet teeming with vitality and as a home to billions of plants and animals and share common evolutionary track. How and why did we get here? Uh, what process had to take place for this happen and where do we go from here? The fact is no one has been able to come close to knowing exactly what led to the origins of life and may never know. Evidence suggests that first life on the earth 3.8 to 2 billion years ago. Earth initial life forms bacteria which could survive in the highly toxic atmosphere that existed during the same time. About 2.5 billion years ago, oxygen forming photosynthesis began to occur. The first fossils were to type of blue-green algae that could photosynthesize free oxygen to build up around 1.8 billion years ago and made way for the emergence of life as we know it today. Thus, about 525 million years ago, with the start of the Cambrian period, life exploded, developing almost all the major groups of plants, animals relatively short time. It ended with the same massive extinction of most of the existing species about 500 million years ago, making room for future atmosphere and evolution of new planet and animal species. About 498 million years later, 2.2 million years ago, the first modern human species emerged. Present estimates on the number of Earth current species range from 10 millions to 14 millions, of which about 1.2 millions are documented, means over the 86% have not been recorded so far. However, more than 99% of all species, amounting to over 5 billion species that ever lived on the Earth, are estimated to be extinct. Estimates on the number of Earth current species ranges from 10 millions to 14 millions, of which about 1.2 millions have been documented and over 86% have not yet been described. With this context, we understand the importance of the Earth as a life-sustaining system and long-track evolution of life on the Earth. Keeping this complexity, this subject in mind, we have designed a specialized course for prospective students enrolled environmental science PG program. This paper, Environmental Biology, broadly covers topics such as fundamentals of ecology, ecosystems, environmental microbiology, biomes and habitat diversity, ecosystem services, biological diversity and population and community ecology, wetland forests, semi-arid habitats of India, endangered, endemic, extinct species of India, environmental biotechnology, role of biotechnology in conservation of species, in situ and ex situ conservation, wildlife management and conservation, marine biology, biodiversity conservation. We anticipate that at the end of course the students would be well versed with evolution history of life on the earth and present day biodiversity and its importance Besides, they will be able to explain various concepts: ecology, importance, microbiology, genetics, and evolution process. Thank you. Namaskar.